How to get started with skills to use Reflect. We have made it super easy with just 3 steps. First, install skill with npm. Second, answer 3 questions regarding configuration. Third, give the Reflect API key. You need to answer these 3 questions. Which framework? I choose Pydantic. You can choose others. What kind of task? How you are going to review it. It creates all the files, including agent, LLM, as judge, and also a smoke test. UHCIH basically tests if all the retrieval is working. All set. The only thing you need is Reflect API key in the env. We have benchmarked on Tau Bench, which is considered one of the most difficult to benchmark. It performs better and much better with Reflect skills. We have also done it with other agentic benchmarks like Human Last Exam, Lifelong Bench, and Reflect increased the performance many folds.